So for this blade change, these are the tools I use. It's the first time I've ever done this actually. So these ramps I backed up on those, as you'll see, and they get a little bit more height and clearance, make it easier. I like it. I wanted that and I like it. Ear protection, because the lawnmower itself and that impact drill is very loud. So you're under there and you want to protect your hearing. Okay, so for this to fit on the mower, I had to buy a conversion kit to go from here into this piece. So I had to wait on Amazon. Everything's in the description, links are in the description. This went into here, then I was able to use this tool. So I'm glad I got this. It's only $7 or $8. This is the helped me to sharpen the blades. Pretty easy to use. Put the back end of the blade there, then use a drill. I bought this as a set, I do believe. And then of course the jack and jack stands for safety. Not only do I jack it up, I also put that underneath in case the jack fails for some reason. And not to forget, this set is pretty nice. It has all the different sizes you need. I found that this is the one tool set, pretty darn good.